Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I want to show you an easy way to stack your firewood so it doesn't just sit on the ground. So let's dive in. So for this easy DIY project, you're just going to need one of these cinder blocks right here. You can get from Lowe's or Home Depot. I'll have a link for some of these items in my description. And then I grabbed two 1x4s. You can use 2x4s or whatever you might have. I just had some of these from another project laying around the house. But then you can just stack this firewood right up as you see what I'm doing right here, and it makes a nice little wood rack for your firewood. I've liked this wood rack because it's super easy to do and it's also very cost affordable as well. You could also add another cinder block and more wood if you'd like to make it a little bit deeper. You could also make it a little bit taller with adding long boards as well. One thing I do recommend is you make sure that you're on level ground, because if you're not on level ground, there is a chance for this to fall over. So if you can put it on level ground and maybe even have it something to like rest on in the back, that might even be helpful as well. But again, this has worked really well for us and we have really enjoyed it. You could also make multiple of these next to each other. That's what I plan on doing. I'm going to have a couple of these just kind of sitting next to each other and then also cover them with a tarp. But I also think this is a great and easy DIY project you can do with your kids over the weekend. All right, guys, so you can see this is an easy DIY way to stack your firewood. If you want to put a tarp or anything over this, you can. Also, you could use 2x4s or whatever you might have. I just had some of these 1x4s laying around, so it works out really well. Or if you even want to make it really big, you can do that as well. Again, 2x4s or maybe some bigger pieces of wood would be recommended. But overall, this is great, super cheap. All you have to do is get one of these cylinder blocks, 2 pieces of wood, and now you got a place to stack your firewood. So I think it's an easy DIY project that anyone can do. If this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. Also check out another video right here, and I'll see you over there.